guys, welcome back to Jen Scent Click. I'm Jen, your favorite Scentsy gal, and today we're unboxing this box right here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am so excited about this box. I just got it open and I have been waiting probably since last summer for this box right now. But the day is here to show you guys our Harry Potter stuff. Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. You have no idea how excited I am. Oh, I cannot wait to dive into this with you guys. And look how cute! This is our wax collection. And then we have, oh my goodness, you know, Harry Potter would not be Harry Potter without Hogwarts. I am so excited. So let's see. This is a gorgeous, I have to say, this is a pretty blue. I love this color. Like, look at the box, like the side of the box. They just have like all the details. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness. Look at this dish. Look at it. Oh, it has the envelope to Harry. Oh my goodness, so cute. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's a 25-watt light bulb. And I bet you if you get a yellow light bulb, or maybe even like an orange light bulb, this is gonna look amazing at night. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. The color is outstanding. Oh my goodness, I hope I can do justice. And like, I think you can kind of see like the color distinction. And like, I remember when I was seeing like the images and when they were announcing it, like it just kind of looked dark to me. Like it just looked dark, but this is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all the different coloring. You got the owl, the moon, the starry night, like just all these little holes. And like this copper, rose gold, brassy, whatever you want to call that, like for the building for Hogwarts. And like even this is a different color. You got the emblem for Harry Potter. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. And you even got like the green over here for the forest. Holy cow, this is gorgeous. Just the detail, and this is gonna look awesome when it's lit up. So I don't know if you can tell, but like all the windows in Hogwarts are like cut out. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. We gotta get this lit up right away. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, you guys. Here we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna dim the lights really quick so we can see what it looks like when it's a little darker in this room. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks amazing. Look at it. Oh my goodness. And like I can see the pattern on the wall. Look at this. It is so cute. It reminds me of like the opening scene for Hogwarts, like when they're coming. No, they didn't come by boats. Oh my goodness. But yes, it reminds me of like that first, I think it has to be the first movie where they're like coming in. It's like their first impression of Hogwarts, like all lit up at night. This is what it reminds me of. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We're gonna have to test this with a yellow light bulb. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go grab one right now. Okay, you guys, so I couldn't find my yellow light bulb, but I did find an orange one, and I think it's gonna look just as cool. So we'll see how this turns out. Oh, see, I like that better than the clear light bulb. That to me looks more of like a natural light. Oh my goodness, look how cool that is. I swear, light bulbs make the difference. Like, I am obsessed with colored light bulbs. It just changes the entire feel, the entire like outlook of the light bulb or the warmer. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I'm so excited. I'm like a little schoolgirl right now. Okay, so we can't forget about our wax because this is like essential to the warmer is the wax, and it's the Harry Potter collection, and the names of the wax is based on the houses for Hogwarts. I'm so excited! All right, so stinking cute. It's like a little suitcase. So cute, I love it. Every detail, I swear to gosh, every detail. All right, so we have 4 wax bars. Open that up. Okay, that was weird. Oh my goodness, it has a fragrant note like in the map, like coloring, and then you have this little card. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm smelling something. Oh my goodness. Okay, so cool. So it lists all 4 scents in the description. We are going to do the first one that's on top. I'm just grabbing one. It's Gryffindor! I feel like I'm part of the Sorting Hat now. All right, so Gryffindor, bravery and determination. Gorgeous red color. All right, so Gryffindor. Oh my goodness, I can smell it already. All right, so oh my goodness. Oh, it's like a cologne. Oh my goodness, not like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, if you love manly scents, holy cow, you're gonna love this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to get through this. All right. Race through daring smoky woods while amber and a touch of deeper cinnamon leaf brings warmth to your journey. And oh my gosh, you guys, this, oh my, it reminds me of like cologne, like old man cologne, but like a sexy old man cologne, if I could say that. Like, it just reminds me, like, if George Clooney is my like old man, like, oh my goodness, George Clooney. And like, this is what I imagine him smelling like. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I didn't think I was gonna like this so much. There's that smokiness. You have to take the wax out of the clamshell to get the full scent notes. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing. I don't want to put it down. Oh my goodness. This might go in the club. I'm like dead serious. This is probably going to be in my office in like 2 minutes. Oh my goodness, so good, so good. Okay, so we have 3 more. All right, the next one I have is Hufflepuff. Yay! It's a pretty yellow color. I kind of like this. Gold color? I wouldn't even call this yellow. It's like a mustard yellow. Oh, I didn't want to smell. Okay, so Just and Loyal. The Great Hall beckons with sweet and steadfast notes of golden apple, whipped vanilla, almond, and cinnamon sugar. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, this is very fall-like. Like all the sugary and like sugar-covered everything. And oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's like, it's a different bakery scent. It doesn't smell like cookies. It doesn't smell like cake. It just smells, ooh, what's that? So we got apple, whipped vanilla, almond. Ooh, maybe it's the almond. I definitely get some like nutty scent in this. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I was a little nervous about this wax collection. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I seriously was like on the fence. Do I get it? Do I not get it? And this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Very, that is so good. I get that like nutty, like, but it doesn't smell like almond to me though. So we got the apple. I don't smell apple. I definitely get the like, I get the cinnamon sugar and the almondy, maybe a little vanilla. But yeah, no, that does not smell like the description. I feel like this is more like hazelnutty or pecan-y or something, but that smells so good. Oh, I'm so excited. We have 2 more, you guys. 2 more. All right, next we've got Slytherin. Look at that gorgeous green color. We have cunning and ambition. I'm not gonna smell it. Look at that gorgeous green. Oh my goodness, the colors are like spot on for the houses. Oh, I wasn't gonna smell it. Oh my god, that smells really good though. All right, Slytherin, cunning and ambition. Forest woods hide dark secrets in fresh oak moss and a sweet, sinister layer of deep blackberry. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna pull it out. wintry, like, okay, so we consider Harry Potter, I consider Harry Potter, I don't know if my husband does, I consider them like winter movies, like, because they always take place at some point during like Christmas, and it's just, that's when like the exciting part starts, is like during Christmas. So this reminds me of Christmas. I'm getting a little pine in there. But yeah, I smell pine in there. I don't know if there's supposed to be pine, but maybe that's the moss. Is that right? Moss? Yeah, the oak moss. Oh my goodness. That smells good. It's kind of fresh though. I don't know. I really like it though. It kind of reminds me of like that scene where they're at the table and like the Christmas music starts playing and you have like the ghosts kind of running around and like there's like jingle bells in the background, and like this is kind of like what that scent would smell like. So good. Oh my goodness. And last but not least, we have Ravenclaw. Yay! Look at that blue. I like that blue. So cool. Alright. Oh my goodness. So this seems like really dark, but when you open it, it's like a bright blue. I like that. I really, really do like this. Okay, Ravenclaw, Wit and Wisdom. A clever concoction of suede and sandalwood is mellowed handsomely by a ribbon of smooth vanilla. Ooh, I bet this is gonna smell really good too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh, that is completely different than what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more cologne-y. Oh my goodness, that smells so fine. There we go, there's the cologne part, but this is, okay, so when I smelled it in like the top part, it was very like leathery, like a leather bound notebook or a leather bound like suitcase. But then when I smelled this, it smelled like a cologne. It's so weird, these are so weird. I'm like having like a hard time describing this one. Oh my goodness, it smells so good though. Ribbon and smooth vanilla. Yeah, it's gotta be like that vanilla you sent. So I wonder what like class scent this would be, because I don't get fresh. I don't, because usually blue is like a fresh scent. I definitely get the vanilla. I get the like leather, like the suede. Oh my god, it smells so good. Yeah, like a leathery, like, but not in a bad way. When I think of leather, I think it's like kind of like, ew, gross. But this is like, ooh, yeah, like, yum. So good. Oh my goodness. All right, I think I'm gonna have to go, okay, because it's almost springtime, I have to put Slytherin at the bottom because I'm done with Christmas scents, or winter scents. Slytherin. All right, and then I have Justice and Loyal as my third favorite. It just smells kind of like Thanksgiving-y to me. And then I have Ravenclaw is second. And then of course, Gryffindor is gonna be number one. It is so good, so good. So I kind of never really put myself in a house. I don't know, it'd probably either be like Ravenclaw or Gryffindor. These are probably the two houses I would pick if I were to pick a house. And that's kind of awesome that it's my top two choices. So that's so cool. I would love to know what house you think you belong to and what scent you love the best. So please comment below. And yeah, that's a wrap, you guys. Amazing. Scentsy really outdid themselves. Thank you so much, Scentsy, for bringing us Harry Potter. I am so excited to get this warmer set up and our scents going. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channels for more Scentsy fun. All right, you guys, have a great day, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.